Okay, so continuing to field questions here for USMLE, Raj Kumar from the group chat asks about when to do the high yield PDFs available on my site, okay, in relation to UWorld. Before, after, while doing the NBME form / clinical mastery series, okay, when should one actually use my notes? But more specifically in relation to UWorld, okay? So I will quickly address this question. Before we get started, allow me to be an asshole like I usually am. Tell you to subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Help grow this channel. Share with one of your friends prepping for USMLE. Help bring awareness to this channel. Hit the like button. Hit the bell if you have notifications. Find me on Instagram at Mehlman_medical, MEHLMAN_medical. Link is down below. And find me on Telegram. Recently created a Telegram group and channel. The links are down below. Now let me address the fucking question from Raj Kumar within the group chat asking about when to go through the Mehlmanmedical high yield PDFs, but more specifically, he wants to know in relation to UWorld. And the answer is, it actually doesn't fucking matter when you go through my PDFs, okay? The PDFs are designed to be highly effective every step of the way. The exact same way that first aid could be used any step of the way. People will use first aid early. Well, people can use my PDFs early. Especially, the advantage my PDFs have are that I write them very colloquially, as though I'm speaking with you, okay? I do not use overly technical jargon. They're very easy to digest. And I tell you the high yield points you need to know in relation to the material assessed on the NBME exams. So they can be used early, okay? They can be used while you're going through UWorld. You can annotate into them. Be very conservative with your annotations, as I've talked about. Do not add any extra sheets of your own. I've made prior clips on this stuff. And you can also use my PDFs late, okay, when you are getting closer to your real exam and you're consolidating around the NBMEs. This clip is not overly dramatic or novel in terms of the information I'm communicating, but it merely serves to reinforce that, yes, the Mehlmanmedical high yield PDFs you can use every step of the way. They are potent at any time point, okay? You know the deal. I'm going to continue making more content. If you like my stuff, subscribe to my channel. And I appreciate your time. That's it.